Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to show you guys the Anastasia Dream Beverly Hills Glow Kit, okay? Isn't that freaking awesome? This is a tad bit expensive, but let me tell you, it is like one of those products that is so well worth the money. When I say well worth the money, I mean like I keep going back and back and back to this highlighting kit. Look at that. So you're like, oh, okay, they're interesting. Well, let me just swatch a few of them. Obviously, you guys can see that I have been digging into this palette for a while now. It is absolutely stunning. I only have 5 fingers. That's all I can show you guys. But check this out. If I can swatch them all at one time. Isn't this like, you know what? And the camera doesn't even give it like justice. All of them have like this glitter in them, this micro glitter that is like rainbows and unicorns and beautiful and fluffy and soft and oh, it's just gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna actually just put some on. I mean, you guys can still see them on my hand. My fingers in my hand. Anyways, I'm gonna put some in my cheek so you guys can actually see. I have not been wearing, and look, when you wipe it off, you got the beautiful glitter all over you. Anyways, I have been wearing them. Oh, it's so hot under these lights. I have been wearing them and no blush because the pink ones are so like already pigmented that you don't need a blush. So I've been using them as my blush slash highlighter, and for me, like something like this is the more the merrier because it is like so deliciously gorgeous. It just takes you back to your childhood. Dip into unicorn right here because this has more of a pink, and I'm going to put it in my cheek so you guys can just see like how freaking gorgeous. Can you see the intensity? I mean, it's like intense, gorgeous, delicious, like yummy. Look at this. It is like, oh my Lord, just what highlighter are you wearing type of look, okay? I'm gonna put it in the other cheek. I mean, can you just appreciate that? I have a drawer of full of highlighters. Nothing like this. Absolutely nothing like this. I'm going to take Magic and put it underneath my eyebrow. You can use these eyeshadows. You can even dampen your brush a little bit, and they are more pigmented. Normal, just regular, and then whoa. Bam. And it has like this iridescent, it's just like gorgeous. You move this way and it's like a pink, then it goes to a purple, then it goes to a white. It is like, I can't, oh, I wish my camera was better quality, but it's not. It's just not. I mean, like if you guys could see this in person, you literally would be that person in the car that goes, what highlighter are you wearing? Okay, so that was Magic under the eye. Now I'm going to take, and the Magic was the whiter shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this ethereal right here. It's more like of a purple pink. You can see the pink reflectance in it. Oh, you know what? I just noticed this, guys. So it's like you can almost, it's a powder, but you can almost push on it. And just like, oh, delicious. I'm gonna take this ethereal and I'm just going to pop it right here in the inner of the eye, and hopefully you guys can really see the gorgeousness just going on. So pretty, so beautifully pretty. Anyways, guys, I believe this palette is $45. It's like my most expensive splurge, but I had to have it because you figure each eyeshadow, I mean, it's quite a large amount of product each one comes with. You can use it as an eyeshadow and a highlighter and on your shoulders, on your body, everywhere you want to glisten and just feel gorgeous. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and I know it's a little over the top, but this palette is like so over the top. But if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. But anyways, I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.